BBC One with George Alagaya, Natasha Kapinski and David Johnston.
At 6 o'clock, the legal ban is lifted. The BBC can reveal what it knows about the Cash for Honours inquiry.
We've been told that one of Tony Blair's closest aides was concerned about a version of events put to her by Lord Levy.
Tony Blair's fundraiser denies any wrongdoing and says media reports are confused and inaccurate.
Also tonight, every little helps. Tesco says sorry and offers to pay for the contaminated fuel fiasco.
The spy scandal that's rocked the Bush administration, a key aide is found guilty tonight.
Or better, or worse, the £48 million divorce the husband claims is unreasonable and unfair.
Sita and her baby are doing fine. What's more, the rhino's birth was seen by thousands on the web.
It's pretty much, apart from my two daughters, it's pretty much the cutest thing I think I've ever seen. So, yeah, I'm very proud to be involved. You know.
In the West, the bailiffs raid Tesco. They tried to seize goods after the company failed to pay damages for selling contaminated fuel. And 200 yachts go as the wheels fall off a supermarket trolley train. That's in 30 minutes.
Welcome to the 6 o'clock news. Tonight, the Cash for Honours story we were banned from telling you about last week. The BBC has learned that one of Tony Blair's closest advisors was concerned about a version of events put to her by the Labour Party's fundraiser, Lord Levy.
Well, with the injunction
This investigation, a report which we were then legally barred from broadcasting. Turner expresses her concern that Lord Levy. Today, that injunction was lifted at around lunchtime. At the very door of Court 37 in the Royal Courts of Justice, lawyers for the Attorney General finally abandoned their efforts to maintain an injunction on the BBC. Now we're free to report our story. The focus of it was what this woman was told by this man about how the honours list was drawn up. That would be very serious and could lead to charges of conspiring to pervert the course of justice. It is, of course, possible that Ruth Turner misunderstood what was being put to her by Lord Levy, that they simply had different memories of the same events, and that no charges could ever result. Lord Levy insists he's done nothing wrong, but the signs are tonight that he believes he's been set up as a fall guy for Downing Street.
My solicitor has made a statement, and I have nothing further to add to that statement. Thank you very much. Did you put Alex said my solicitor has made a statement, I have nothing further to add to the statement.
This is what his solicitor had to say about what he calls partial, contradictory, confused and inaccurate reports.
All the reports, both the present ones and the previous ones, for the last year, appear to be based on second-hand information given by someone or some people.